Hi.
Yeah, can you see me now?
Yes, I can see you now. I can hear you. You're
That's
not
great.
going in and out.
No, no,
So
it's sometime network issue. Yeah,
what can I help you with?
yeah. Can we have conversations?
Sure. What would you like? Are you a student?
Yeah, I'm a student and currently I'm pursuing my bachelor's of engineering from a state engineering college. And currently I'm in my last year and my stream is electrical engineering.
How old are you?
Currently I'm 23.
23. Okay. I have a daughter that is 26 and one that's fixing to be 22. So I knew you were somewhere near their age. Awesome.
Okay, yeah.
Yes. So what do you do with an electrical engineering degree?
So after that, just the profession should be elected according to your choice and choice of what the work you always love to do. So I think teaching belt is good for me since I am teaching in my all these curriculum in that is 4 year curriculum and I am currently teaching from last 4 years. So I can seek this belt of teaching in upcoming time. So that is what up till I have thought, and it may be different according to the situation. The decisions can be taken.
Wow. Okay. That's interesting. So how about siblings? Do you have any siblings?
Yeah, I have one brother and me. There is no any sister of mine.
Mhm. Is your brother older
Yeah,
or is he younger?
yeah. My brother is older than me, and he runs a poultry farm business.
Okay. What kind of business does he have?
Yeah, he runs a poultry farm.
Okay. All right. Um, let's see. So are you married? Are you still in college? But you can be
No,
married.
no, 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 no. I'm not
Yeah.
married. As you can see, since I'm a student and I'm pursuing my studies, so I'm not married yet. And
Yeah.
yeah, so you can just see from my face. Am I looking you married?
No, but you never know. You never know.
Yeah, that's your right. You never know. But at the same
Yeah.
time, anybody just how can anyone judge that means any individual guy has married or not? So I don't think anybody just can say to me that means I'm married or not. I think they will say, yeah, I'm not married. What I think
Yeah.
about myself. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, that's awesome. Um, so when do you graduate? When what you said you were in your last year? Are you fixing to graduate?
Yeah, after 2 or 3 months, I will have my degree.
Awesome. And do you already have a job?
Yeah, currently I teaches in a private coaching that is
Uh,
for IIT JEE and that is a preparation for engineering streams. So thereby I teach.
you teach. Okay. So I used to teach. Um, my daughter will be graduating in next week, 1 week, and so she will be an occupational therapist. So
That's great.
I have,
Congratulations.
thank you. So I have two kids. Um, do you have any hobbies when you're not studying? Do you play soccer or football, or do you like
No, I play
gaming?
cricket. Yeah.
Cricket. Okay. Now, is cricket kind of like baseball?
No, cricket is not like baseball. In cricket, we have a bat and ball, and we have we says that pitch that is 22 yards, and we have three stumps, and we need a ground as well. So all these things we are requiring for the game cricket. So have you not seen cricket yet?
No, I think I've seen it maybe on
But you don't
TV,
know.
but
Yeah, yeah,
I'm
you're
not.
right.
People in America don't really play cricket that I know of.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have talked to many tutors. They are just naming soccer and other games in America. So cricket is not too much popular in USA. That's why that's not their fault. According to the place, they are just habitual to the games.
Yeah. So tell me about your hometown. Do you live near the beach or do you live in a big city or a small town?
Yeah, it's not a big city nor a small town. It's a middle of kind of that. That means we are
Mhm.
having a population in between the big and small. And if you ask me, that means I live near the beach. That is not going here because we live in such area. That means we are not having beach round side. So that is it.
Okay. Do you do a lot of traveling?
Traveling regards what? Since I am a student, so I have a lot of things to study and follow my curriculum. So I don't get too much time for travel. And I am that kind of a guy who does don't like to travel too much. I love peace and harmony and silence.
Okay. You like to be at home. Okay. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. How about pets? Do you have any pets?
No, I don't have any pets. Since for sometimes for petting purpose, there are many creatures who are too lovable to us. But at the same time, I'm not having anyone. But in future time, I'm thinking for just have a pet dog. But currently, I'm not having.
So you like dogs. Somebody in from Saudi Arabia told me that they didn't like dogs for pets. That so they're not very
The
common
choice
there. Mm.
the choice can be individual. Sometimes it is not necessary. That means what I like, then you should like as well. So that's why in my case, that means since dogs are too loyal and loyal than humans, so that's why I loves dog.
Yes. Yeah. I used to have a dog and he died of old age. So all
Yeah,
right,
it happens.
I'm gonna try and pull something up. It's see if I can share my screen. I'm still learning how to do this. So let's see if it'll let me do this. Um window. Well, now where'd you go? Okay, so what it does, it just says random questions. So it says the first question is, oh, there it is. I got it to work. So, what sports do you like to watch?
I like to watch cricket. That is my passion. And in India, cricket is like a religion.
Okay. Kind of like football is in America. Cricket is, okay.
Yeah, I can understand. Yeah,
Let's see. Let me go back to the next question.
yeah.
What do you think? Let's try next one. What was your first job?
So since not I can answer this particular question in such a way. That was my first job. That is tutoring to some childrens, and I think that was my first job, and it is continued for the present time. And what will happen in future, I can't take guarantee of it.
Yes, awesome. Let's try this another question. So, if you could freeze time, what would you do?
Yeah, for studying purpose and making money or seeking job purpose, I am out of my home. So if I could freeze time, then I will love to spend my time to my parents and serve them.
Awesome. Nice. Okay. Would you like to start? Sorry. Would you like to start any?
Yeah, that's for sure. I would like to start my own company. That is my dream. But since this is not that platform, I want to share it. But that's for sure. I want to start my company.
Awesome. What features will the iPhone 20 have?
Yeah, I don't have too much knowledge about iPhones, so I can't predict the features of iPhone 20.
Mm. So you don't have? Do you have a cell phone?
Yeah, I have a cell phone.
Yes. Do you ever take pictures with your cell phone or listen to the music through your phone?
Yeah, I just often does both of work what you mentioned to me.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna find this one more thing. All right, here's something I want you to read for me. Where'd it go? Okay, can you read this for me, please? This is called a tongue twister.
Okay, that is Peter Piper.
Peter Piper, yes.
Yeah. So Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Peppers picked?
Peter Piper picked.
So that is a funny type what I can see here. Yeah.
Yes. Yes. You're supposed to see how fast you can say it without messing up. You get tongue tied. All right, one more. Uh-oh, we got disconnected.